5 creative strategies for using LinkedIn to generate leads. LinkedIn continues to be an excellent resource for professionals looking to connect online. However, you don't have to continue to use LinkedIn in the usual way. It can also be used to generate new leads. When you can get a little creative with this site, you can open a new set of opportunities for your business. Here are 5 creative ways to gain more interest and generate more leads. Cold Connect. The most common and straightforward method for using LinkedIn for generating leads is to connect with people through the search function. The search function allows you to search for people who are most likely to be your customers. Even though cold connecting is a lot like cold calling and will have a low conversion rate, it is still a useful tactic that can be profitable when scaled. Warm Connect. The ideal way to connect with potential customers on LinkedIn is through an introduction. These warm contacts will be more likely to convert because they were recommended or introduced by someone they trust. You can reach out to a mutual connection and ask for an introduction. Reconnect. Just as big as the previous 2 suggestions, tending to your existing connections can be extremely beneficial for generating more leads. Let your contacts know that you're rooting for them or that you're available to chat. By being open, you can effectively drive awareness to what it is that you are doing. If they aren't direct prospects, they still might be great referral partners. Participate in discussion groups. Along with connecting directly with people, you should also consider participating in workgroup discussions to get your name out there. People tend to click on the names of those who are engaging in the conversations to find out more about them. This can provide you with the opportunity to spread brand awareness. Post updates and share content. You can attract the most attention and acquire more leads by going viral on the platform. Individual posts on LinkedIn can go viral, just like Facebook and Twitter, and those whose posts get shared often will experience a massive surge in the number of leads that are generated. Make sure to post content directly on the platform rather than linking to other sites to increase your chances of being seen. Finding ways to create healthy habits for marketing yourself on LinkedIn and making your company more approachable and less formal will help you utilize the social platform to generate more leads for your business. In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 5 tips for using LinkedIn for marketing your business. Whether your goal is to build brand awareness, generate more leads, or establish strategic partnerships, LinkedIn is a powerful business tool that can connect your brand with more than 450 million professionals around the world. Here are 5 tips that can help you better engage your audiences and grow your business. Start with your personal LinkedIn profile. Ultimately, people want to do business with other people, which is why it is essential that you start by optimizing your personal LinkedIn profile. Your personal profile and those of your employees are the peaks that come together to create your brand. When someone searches your name, you want them to find something that makes you stick out from the crowd. Your profile is where your prospects' first impressions are formed and where they decide if they can see themselves working with you. Create an effective LinkedIn company page. It is good to think of your company's LinkedIn page as your business's LinkedIn profile. You need to create a company page that provides ample opportunities for prospects to learn more about your company, your employees, and to engage with relevant content. Define your audience and goals. As with marketing initiatives, you need to start by defining your goals. Once you understand what it is that you want to accomplish, it will be easier for you to identify your audience. If your company sells a productivity tool for social media specialists, for example, you want to get social media pros to test it, because you know that if they like it and use it, they are more likely to recommend it to their bosses. Optimize your page for search. Just like you would for company website, you want to optimize your LinkedIn company page for search. A well-optimized page can help you gain more visibility when people are searching for what your company offers. Make sure that your page is designed to be SEO friendly by including relevant keywords, linking your company website, and sharing relevant content with your audience. Add company page followers. When you can get people to follow your company page, any updates you share will appear directly on their LinkedIn page feed. The more followers you can get, the higher the reach potential for each update that you publish. Start by having your employees follow the page, then promote your company page outside the company. Finally, you can add a follow button on your website to make it easy for people to follow your LinkedIn company page. By putting these 5 steps into practice, you can accomplish big things with the help of LinkedIn. As you continue to grow and add more followers, you'll start to get even better results than you ever thought possible.